Hello everybody, this is DjReyCua El Sabroso here at Madison Santa Barbara. Wednesday night, getting ready for Sabroso que Rico Suave Salsa night. Once again, this is DjReyCua bringing to you one love of dance. And today we have a guest instructor, Chuy Rumba Buena. And of course, I cannot do it all alone without my sidekick, Rico Suave. Rico Suave, are you ready to rock?
We're always ready to rock, Rico Suave. It's gonna be here just playing some music and dancing with the heart. Then we're gonna go and follow Rumba Buena and see how is everything kicking over here, guys. Let's go.
Right, left, right, cross body. Right, left, right, cross body. All right, here we go. Everybody wave with the camera. Hey, Madison's. All right, I'm going to wave. Here we go. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, cross body. Go. 1, 2, 3, right foot. Right, no, stop. Everybody stop. Everybody stop. Right here. Facing that way. When you get here, when you get this, please go back on your right foot. What's up, DJ Rico Suave? What are you doing, man?
We're gonna get ready for make some noise, mijo. We're gonna be here doing all night in Madison, making the best night in Santa Barbara. DjReyCarlos, Rico Suave, and DjReyCua making the noise of the night. What about you? How do you think it's gonna be the night going?
Start with your right foot. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 3. Right, left, cross body. Left. Put your left one in. You're fine. Facing that way. Left, right, and feet together.
Yeah, my gente, this is Madison Salsa Bachata every Wednesday with DjCarlos. Tonight is DjReyCua and DJ Rico Suave. The cameraman, this is Norma Rodriguez. The promoter Norma Rodriguez. Con ellos paga Sugar Beats every Friday.
Right, left, cross body, and
I think it's gonna be everything, DjReyCua.
What's up, Rico Suave? This is DjReyCua El Sabroso to Sabe here at Madison, representing yours truly, one love of dance. So Rico Suave, we're gonna tear up the house. Are you ready to rock or what?
We are ready. You're ready to rock, Carlos? We're ready, then. Let's do it.
Salsa every Wednesday. Don't forget